In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex using the MT5 platform within Pocket Option in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into this straightforward process to help you get started with this powerful trading platform efficiently and confidently. First, you'll need to head over to the Pocket Option website. By navigating to this site, you'll gain access to a platform that allows you to seamlessly trade on Forex using the widely acclaimed MetaTrader 5. If you haven't bookmarked this site yet, it might be a good idea to do so for easy access in the future. Once there, it's time to either register for a new account or simply log in to your existing one. If you're new to Pocket Option, you'll need to provide some basic details to create an account. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and sign in. This step ensures you're set up to use all features and functionalities offered by the platform. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to explore your account dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of options, but our focus will be selecting the MT5 trading platform. MT5 is a robust and versatile trading tool, and by choosing it, you're opening doors to advanced trading capabilities right at your fingertips. With the MT5 platform now in focus, the next move is to launch MetaTrader 5 directly through Pocket Option's web platform. This seamless integration means you won't need to download or install any additional software on your device, making it incredibly convenient and ensuring immediate access to the trading system. At this point, you are set and ready to start trading. With MetaTrader 5 launched, you can begin exploring the diverse features it offers. Whether you're analyzing trends, setting up new trading strategies, or executing trades, remember that practice is key. For beginners, starting with a demo account might be beneficial. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the trading environment without the risk of losing real money. If you're new to Forex trading, take advantage of tutorials and educational resources Pocket Option provides. These resources can offer additional insights and strategies to enhance your trading experience and boost your confidence. Remember, trading is as much about learning and adapting as it is about execution. So, set your strategies, manage your risks wisely, and don't rush the process. As you progress, you'll find yourself more comfortable and proficient with each trade. And that's it. You're now equipped with the foundational steps to begin trading Forex on MT5 using Pocket Option. Keep these instructions handy as you embark on your trading journey. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!